In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make headings in Google Docs. Creating headings in a document is a simple yet powerful way to organize your content, making it easier to read and navigate. Not only do headings give structure to your document, but they also enhance the overall presentation, particularly for longer texts or professional reports. So, let's dive into how you can set these up efficiently. First things first, open up your Google Docs and navigate to the document you're working on. Now, the initial step is to highlight the text you intend to turn into a heading. You might wonder why this step matters. Highlighting the text ensures that your desired section is selected, allowing the subsequent changes to be applied precisely where you need them. Simply click and drag your cursor over the chosen text. Or, for larger sections, you can also use keyboard shortcuts like Shift plus the arrow keys. Once your text is highlighted, look up to the top of your screen. There, near the font options, you'll see a handy drop-down menu labeled Normal Text. This menu is your gateway to a variety of formatting options. Clicking on it will open up a list that lets you tailor your text's appearance beyond the default settings. It's conveniently located next to your font selection, which encourages exploration of additional formatting features. Now, from the drop-down menu, you'll have a selection of heading styles at your disposal. These include Heading 1, Heading 2, and others. Heading 1 is typically used for major sections or titles due to its prominent size and boldness, drawing immediate attention. Heading 2 and subsequent styles provide options for subheadings, great for breaking down content into smaller, manageable parts, each with slightly diminishing emphasis. With your choice made, simply click on the heading style that suits your needs. Google Docs will automatically apply this style to your highlighted text. As you navigate through document creation, remember that consistent heading usage not only enhances readability, but also plays a critical role if you plan to add a table of contents. Google Docs can generate one based on your headings, adding a level of sophistication and ease to document navigation. To summarize, turning your text into headings involves 3 steps. Highlight your text, access the Normal Text drop-down menu, and choose your preferred heading style. These headings are not just about appearances, they're a functional way to guide readers through your document logically and efficiently. Whether you're drafting a business proposal, writing an academic paper, or simply organizing personal notes, headings are your friends in creating a well-structured and accessible document. Happy writing!